Hello, my name is John Trubus. I am a sous chef at Amber Restaurant here in Hong Kong. I'll be making an interpretation of chili with pasta, a recipe that my mother used to make for me. We start by adding olive oil to our pan, then our onion, then we will sweat the onion for 6 to 7 minutes until tender and translucent. Once our onions are soft and cooked all the way through, we will add our ground pork. Stir to break up the pork. And then we will continue cooking to allow the pork to completely brown. Traditionally, you will find chili made with beef, but really any meat can be used. You could substitute ground poultry, also something along the lines of Impossible Meat or Beyond Meat. So once our pork is thoroughly cooked through, as well as releasing the majority of its moisture, we'll add now our spices. So we have garlic powder, cayenne, chili powder, black pepper, ground cumin, a little bit of sugar, and salt. Then immediately add in our tomato paste. And allow the tomato product to caramelize a little bit in the pan. Our chopped tomatoes and their juice. Our tomato sauce. Our chicken stock. And our beans. Stir to incorporate and allow the mixture to come to a simmer. Once the mixture comes to a boil, we will reduce the heat and allow it to simmer for 30 to 35 minutes. So now our chili has been cooking for about 35 minutes. After that time, we turned the heat off and allowed it to come to room temperature and just rest for about another 30 minutes or so. Heated the chili back up. Here we have pasta, which we've cooked until al dente. And we simply spoon the chili over the pasta. And garnish with some fresh chive. Here you have chili with pasta.